Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how you can lift up your hood all the way up on Mercedes A-Class E2070 model W211 from 2005. When you open the hood like so, you can also expand or open it. You can open it furthermore above this height. To do so, you need to release little clamps which are right here. There are two on each side. So how you do it is push this piece towards you, but you first need to take out the pressure from the clamp like so. You just basically pull the hood down, then you press so when the hood is in this position you move to the other side. You can see that the little piece is now inside. On the other side you basically do the same for this piece right here. You need to push here and then lift the hood up. There it goes. As you can see, the hood is now all the way up. There. I hope you will like this video. Thank you for watching, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.